JeddiDaddi, so today we're going to take these Hot Wheel cars, we're going to drive them down this track, and they're going to blast into the salt that we have right here, and we're going to watch it in slow motion, okay? Alright, JeddiDaddi, let's pour this out. You can help me pour this out, okay? Wow, there we go. Perfect, that's enough. Very, very good. Alright, JeddiDaddi, so we got the salt there, and we got the car here. So let's take the car as high as you can and send it down for a huge blast. Whoa, what a blast! The salt went everywhere, JeddiDaddi. So cool. Alright, JeddiDaddi, let's do one more car, okay? Alright, help Daddy pour it out. There you go, that's good. Thank you. Good job. Alright, let me take some of this and just dump it on there. Look at all that, JeddiDaddi. Alright, JeddiDaddi, we got all that salt. Now let's try this blue car, okay? And we'll see what it looks like in slow motion. Alright, send it down. Whoa, what a blast! The salt went everywhere. So cool. Thank you for watching. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe for more.